What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bells so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to reveal to you my dividend income for November of 2022 with my E-Trade dividend portfolio. Now, I have an E-Trade dividend portfolio and an M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So I'm going to reveal to you my dividend income with my 42,000 E-Trade dividend portfolio. So it was a great month for me. I'm still making changes to my dividend portfolio. I'm going to explain to you some changes that I'm making. One of the videos will involve and incorporate the changes that I'm making with this one. I'm going to have that done on Sunday with a dividend stock that I sold, and I threw it into another one. Tomorrow, my M1 Finance dividend portfolio will be revealed tomorrow, and my total dividend income will be added up, and I'll reveal that to you guys. So I'm very excited to reveal to you my M1 Finance dividend portfolio dividend income. So they're both right around the $40,000 ranges. A lot of people are like, well, why don't you just do 80? I like separating it. I'm going to explain to you why I like a separate E-Trade one and a separate M1 Finance dividend portfolio that's fractional shares. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check my dividend income out right now. So right now, my portfolio is, my account right now is 42,913. I took a huge loss, obviously, today. But big deal, because I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm buying dividend stocks, high dividend stocks. I'll show you my estimated income at the moment. So things are looking pretty good with my estimated income right now. So we'll check that out. So here's my estimated income for my E-Trade dividend portfolio. It's $3,090 right now. So there's a lot of things that I've been doing, a lot of changes at the moment with my dividend portfolio. I got to have these other months compensated very well in conjunction with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So by the way, I just received a dividend. I'll go over that with my dividend income. I received a dividend from Conagra Brands today, which is nice. So you'll see these months right here. My estimated income is 198 right now. So these months need a little bit of work done. So I need to look at certain dividend stocks, try to get to 100 to 400 shares in certain stocks, and then reinvest the dividends. But I'm going to go over my high dividend stocks right now and reveal to you why I'm investing in them, and I'll show you my dividend income right now. All right, so here's my dividend income for November. So NHI, I received $25.33. Sachem Capital Corp, I got $22.18. This is one I've been loading up on, and in the long run, I want to try to get to $100 to $200 a month, and then get to the point where potentially, $100 to $200 a quarter, and potentially start using the dividend income here to throw in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio so that things can start going crazy. So maybe 200, maybe 300, maybe 400, and then flip it. That way I can allocate resources to another position. It could be on Fundrise, it could be a lot of things. But now I'm starting to open up my strategy to where I need to distribute certain high yield dividend stocks or high income stocks into my other dividend stocks, my dividend growth stocks like Conagra Brands, like another one would be an example, Starbucks. So I can start loading those guys up with that dividend income that I earn and individually either buy them on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And I'll explain to you that tomorrow with some of my ideas that I have. It's not just dollar cost averaging. I want to turbocharge my dividend portfolio, and I'm travel nursing. So things are looking pretty strong with my dividends. So EPR Properties, 3306. Realty Income, 3267. SLG, Remember, it's a high yield monthly dividend stock. I earned 466 right there. And then look at this, HTBK, Heritage Commerce Bank Corp. I received 964. This is the big one. Arbor Realty Trust, I made 201.86, and I'm reinvesting those dividends. I would be crazy not to reinvest because I have a lot more shares. My estimated income is going a lot higher. Now, again, this is a mortgage-backed real estate investment trust and a high-income mortgage-backed real estate investment trust that has done very well against the S&P. Gladstone, I have 181 shares right now, which I'm reinvesting. So I made 14.48, and you see the little Conagra 10.77. So I'm going to go over Arbor Realty Trust real quick with my dividend income and go over the dividend trends and explain to you what excites me about these guys, because right now I'm in a lot of shares, which I'll reveal to you, and I'll show you what I plan on doing in the long run with these guys real quick. So right here, I have 545 shares right now. I'm not going to round it or anything. I'll just say 545 shares. So each share distributes 40 cents. So since I reinvested the dividends, I'm making 218.19. So now it's going to get to the point as I show you how many shares I own and my value of that. I'm close to $10,000 with these guys. I have highly considered getting to $10,000 worth of Arbor Realty Trust and then potentially getting to maybe 400 a quarter. Because if I can get to 400 a quarter, now I'm not completely relying on these guys to hike their dividend all the time, which I'll go over their dividend history and their revenue, but it's really exciting to get to the $200 mark. I've never made it to the $200 mark other than Fundrise, and that was including appreciation with the dividends. So let's go over these guys revenue-wise and dividend history-wise to a lot of you guys that are new. Now, with Arbor Realty Trust, these guys are a mortgage-backed real estate investment trust, and their revenue has done very well. So this is in millions US dollars. 2015, 142, 2016, 213, 2017, 346, 2018, 484, 2019, 535, then 2020, 603, and then 2021, 799. So they have increased their revenue, which is amazing, and they've done pretty well against the S&P. But one more thing I'm going to go over is their dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2013. It was 13 cents. 2015, it was 15 cents. Then 2016, it was 16 cents. 2017, you get 18 cents. You're 19 cents. Then you get 21 cents, then to 25 cents, and 27 cents. And a nice little dividend of 15 cents. 227 cents, 228, 229, 230, and then 2020, 31 cents, and then 32 cents, and then 2021, 33 cents, then 34 cents, then 35 cents, then 36 cents, and then 2022, 37 cents, 238, 239, 240 cents. So the payout ratio is 73%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 17. Dividend growth in 5 years is 13.14%. It has a high yield of 10.80%. So if you bought one share, you made 160. So the pros and cons of this is, with revenue, with taxes, qualified versus not qualified. So, you have to report these as regular income. But the nice thing about this real estate investment trust and the rules of a real estate investment trust is that 90% of what they make have to go back to shareholders. So, the big option is like, do I get to 300 or keep on reinvesting in dividend? I mean, it's at a huge discount. So it's a good headache to have these next few weeks. And I did extend a week for my travel nursing. And I may just go all in with these guys, just with one paycheck, or, pay off or pay for my whole semester. It's a lot of options to have. And the thing I have to do is budgeting. So I need to throw X amount of dollars in M1 Finance, and I need to throw X amount of dollars in E-Trade. So it's a beautiful headache to have, to be honest with you. So tomorrow I'll reveal to you my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So I made a total of $368.80, which is exciting. So that may not be set in stone. I made a lot of changes if you watch my previous videos with my dividend portfolio, but things are looking pretty strong. I'm hoping I can be at least quarterly 300 plus, and hopefully it'll get stronger. And I'll reveal to you on Sunday. So make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe of a dividend stock that I made money with this month that I sold and threw it in another dividend stock. So make sure, one more time, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. Remember, hit that notification bell after you subscribe. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers. So you guys have been amazing. I hope you guys have a great Friday. And I'm looking forward to revealing to you my dividend income tomorrow and revealing to you my total November dividend income. You guys take care and have a good one.